So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can screen record on Capcut. So Capcut actually just introduced a new tool which is called Record Screen. It's a pretty good tool because we haven't had a tool which we could screen record in Capcut. We could only have audio recordings. So now if you go to the home screen and your app is updated to the latest version, you can have this record screen button here. You just need to click on the record screen button and you basically just need to click on the screen, because what happens is if I have two screens and I click the record screen button, I need to choose whether I only want to record this window or the whole window. And now we only want to record Capcut. And here you can choose whether you want to turn on your front camera or not, and whether you want to have the microphone on or not. And then you just need to click start recording, and it's gonna start recording in 3 seconds. Okay, so now basically we are recording, and this is how you record screen in Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.